we're very excited and happy that we are standing here. And that is because a couple of, I think for a half year, Mr. Wim Hengelo asked Op of Recycling to search and look for a machine who can do fine fraction. And we were looking for that, and opportunity to get two machines down here in the Netherlands, a smaller version more or less from this one, and the S3-1202, which one went to Wim. And I know the dates. It was on a Thursday, the machine came on Friday. We bugged around to get the machine going, just to see if we can get it running. And it ran. And I think by that time, Wim was already that much convinced that he wanted to have the machine. I think that was a convincing demo. Later on, the machine went back in.
Nice that you came here to Holland to look how we use the Z. Yeah, he has already to say everything. For me, I don't have to say that much, but only let's see how it works.
Yeah.
That is thinking the best what we can do now.
Yeah, correct.
This is actually a great day for us, not only because we are soon going to launch a new machine on the Dutch market, but above all that I feel that we have found a partner in Op of Recycling. As the management of TRM, we are deeply honored that you have chosen a screen from Master Mechanism, and for the faith that you put in us and in our products.
Yeah.
Veel succes.